Hi, welcome to day 2. I hope the lighting is okay here. That's why I'm standing here. So today is day 2 of me learning how to trade as well as learning to use. And I want to record my sessions. So yesterday I learned about having the right mentality and also learned about candlesticks. So I woke up to learn about the candlesticks, their meanings and what it means. So I'll do that. I'll sit down and review that, what I wrote in my notes, so that I can take today's class. So bye. And today also, so as for today, we don't have something to eat, so we'll just chill. Yeah, so we have those there, but then I don't have accompaniment, so I just can't cook. So this here is my working station. Yes, we have a bed, yes, but it's not a good one, so we opt to sleep here on the floor. So let's get into today's session. Hi, so this is me reviewing what I've been learning. Holding the phone using my hand because I don't have a tripod yet. So we learned about candlesticks, and I learned about time frames in a chart. Yeah, you can have, I saw it's M1, M5, M30, H1, H4, then daily, then monthly. I think something like that. So the first candlestick here, up. So I learned something today is up. From the word bullish, you get the word up from that U there. So it's close. It opens at the bottom and closes at the top. And this is the green one. This one is a bullish one. And this is the point where the price went the highest. And this is where the price went the lowest during that trade period. So if it was one hour, this is where the price was the highest within that 1 hour, and this is where the price was the lowest, but to open that here and close that here. So then this is the bearish, and this is the red candlestick, and this is the highest price, and this is the lowest price it got during that time frame. Then given that it's a bearish, it opens at the top and closes at the bottom. So then I learned about the candlestick patterns. We see dojis and hammers. These are the ones that have maybe the body is smaller and then the wick is bigger, maybe from to the downwards or upwards. So this was the assignment. We'll come back there. So we have buyers and sellers. That is what happens. So this is what I was learning in the morning. Bullish is the green one, and it's when it's going up, and bullish, yes. Bearish is when it's going down and it opens at the top, closes just as I had explained here. So bulls push up, closes at the front like this, just the way I had explained it with using the small diagram over there. So let's move to the next page. I hope I've understood everything here. So I was just learning about this. So this is a comparison of both. So price high, price low, price low. If it's a bullish, it starts from it opens at the bottom, closes at the top. If it is bearish, it opens at the top and closes at the bottom. These are red one, these are green one. Then now when we are talking about the dojis, now I came across the hammer. So normally when the body is small and the wick is big towards the top, so big top wick is equals to strong seller, the same as this. So both. Then when you have a big body, there is big momentum. This I realized I learned that there is strong momentum, something of the sort. Then there is a hammer. A hammer is where we have a big a big lower wick, so we have strong buyers. So this is a hammer. Then there is tiny body, long wick. These are doji, I believe, and it means tug of war, or there is indecision in the market. Then in the indecision, there's doji, there's dragonfly, there's this one, I don't know which, I can't recall the name, but there was another one which is hanging something. Yeah, so those are what I learned today. So then I learned about patterns. There's this when there's this bullish that is bigger, and then there's a bearish that starts and closes within the body of the bullish. This shows indecision, I guess. Yeah, pause after a large, more current trend. So maybe let's say the market was going upwards, and then there's a pause, and now this happens, I believe. Yeah, oh, that's what it means. Then there was this three black crows. It shows trend reversal. The trend, if the trend was going up, maybe it is about to go down. If it was going down, something of the sort. Then there's these white soldiers. The buyers are in control. In this one, I guess sellers are taking control. So from the assignment we had been given, we had been told to choose a pair, price reaction, 10 examples of doji, screenshot and label. So using this other phone, let's open MetaTrader. I'm using MetaTrader 4 on this phone. I don't know whether. So here it is. So let me change this to H4 maybe. So we had been told what is the instructions. The instructions are choose a pair. So to choose a pair, I had already chosen a pair, which I think was here. I chose the Euro USD here. Then open chart, and that's how it is when you open the chart. And we've been told to highlight 10 examples of dojis, and here they are. We don't know what I'll use to label. So this is just the beginning. So what I understood from the dojis, so I believe we have this here. This is a doji. This is a doji. This two is a doji. Is this a doji? Yeah. This one as well. Then I believe these two. This is it? You know, I'm choosing that not because I know, but because I can see there is no, like, the wicks are too long. Yes, this, and this could be the dragonfly or the other one, whatever. Not sure. Okay, then try and look for more. I can see some here. These two as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll take a screenshot. I don't know how I'll take a screenshot of, I don't know whether when I do like this I'll be able to tell which is a doji and which one is not. I'll just take a screenshot like this. And then Where else did we see a doji? This two, I believe. I should have like 10 of them. Then I'll label them when I'm not holding this other phone. There are these here. Let me look where there are several so that I can take. Oh, here, there's this, like that. I believe those are, they have gotten to 10. So I'll label those ones. The other thing was, so the other assignment, so this one is done. The other assignment was screenshot and label. Screenshot and label what dojis are. So I'll check, let me confirm. Then price reaction. So I'll explain using these what I've understood. So I can take this one. So in this case here, we said the green one, is going up, and who is in control? It started here, it closed here, but it doesn't have a wick there. So when you see there's no wick, it means there were strong sellers. Let me remember, sellers is in control in bearish, and in bullish the buy is in control. So in this case the buy is in control here. So you see there was no like it has disappeared. It's here. There's no even the wick is non-existent. Then from there the price started coming down, and here the sellers are in control, buyer are in control. So at some point during this time frame, the time frame is, you put H4 means 4 hours. During these 4 hours, the price at some point was at here. This is the farthest it went, and this is the lowest that it went. But now it got to it opened at here and closed at here. Then the buyers, now I'm looking at my notes to make sure the buyers here were got in, and then the price it opened this opened here and closed here, and at some point the price went till here. But then seems like the buyers were so strong, they pushed it here, I don't know, something of the sort. So I think that's so green, buyers are in control, sellers are in control. Here opens for the bearish, opens at the top, closes at the bottom. I'm shaking. Then here opens at the bottom, closes at the top. Maximum the highest price the prices went, the lowest point the prices went. So I think I'm done with the homework, so we proceed with today's class.